What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress Themes, and today I'm here to present you our latest WordPress work, the Minimalist WordPress theme. This theme presents the minimalist style with a clean and elegant design, all built using our rock and solid Visualmodo framework, with drag and drop page building, special elements, fancy tests, portfolio options, and a way more platform of features. Let me show you some pages of this theme, like this, the front page with creative links, parallax effects, special logo section, full widget header and footer sections. Also with a coming soon page, template, maintenance page template, posts slider, and a minimalist blog with posts masonic grid on it, special MailChimp and mailing system integrations, amazing portfolio custom post type with a masonic grid effect, so you can show up your project. Contact Form 7 plugin integration to easily build some contact forms and receive contacts. Unlimited columns and elements usage. Overlay header, stick header, auto-typed tests, team section to present your members, counter section, Twitter integration to present a Twitter slider, pricing elements to display your products, careers template to create a form and apply for a job, service page to present your features elegantly, advanced carousel effect with touch enabled, and a huge number of special elements. This is one of my favorites, the creative link, with a lot of effects options. With this theme, your imagination is the unique limit, so you can unleash it and be free to create everything that you want. As you can see, a lot of portfolio options to showcase your projects. This is a project single page to present more information about some projects. Now let me show you something in the backend. The powerful Visualmodo panel with the theme options, with a lot of global settings like colors, header, footer, WooCommerce, typography, layouts, post types, account, option to add custom code easily, page not found template, plugins installation, Visualmodo exclusive demo import with one click, so you can have a site just looking like the demonstration site, WooCommerce integration, SEO integration, and the amazing WP Bakery page builder, formerly Visual Composer, so everyone can create their layouts directly in the front end, drag and drop elements with the Visualmodo exclusive features, and also the Revolution Slider plugin, an amazing slider builder plugin for WordPress. All these premium plugins are included for free, just like the Ultimate add-ons that adds more options to the bakery page builder. And a lot of icons, and the unique icon uploader came from Visual Elements. Now let me show you the shopping template, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have anything to say, and I hope to see you using your theme soon. Feel free to download, links are on the bio, and all the best!